What's going on YouTube? So, as you guys can see, we got about 400 pounds of corn in the back, and deer season's almost over, so we're gonna get a bait spot going for some hogs, where I hunt hogs every year after deer, and I'm gonna try to get real close and get one with the trad bow. I guess the challenge is with baiting hogs is you can't put enough out. They'll come in with groups of hogs and they'll basically eat everything you put out in a day or two. So then it's hard to pattern them. Well, I thought this year, you know, I would do, instead of dropping, you know, 80 to 100 pounds, I'm going to drop 400 pounds all at once. And that should last a while, at least be able to start patterning them and then get in there and try to kill one or two. But anyways, we're going to go to the grocery store now, and I want to show you guys a little mix that I like to do. So I'll mix up about 40 pounds of corn in this stuff just to really get that smell in the air and so they can locate it. And it works great. So stay tuned.
With you at all times.
Alrighty guys, so we got the goods, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I do for some hog bait. And then I'm going to pour it in close. Alright, so I usually pour that halfway on each one. Then we're going to take fruit punch, get about half in there. Half and half. And then the hoggies love some Jello, so we're going to do one whole pack per bucket of Jello. Good for their teeth. Woo! You smell it?
Mm-hmm. Smells like candy.
Oh yeah. That's hog candy. Alright. Alright, now we do the rapid yeast. It's instant yeast. And that mixed with the sugar and water makes it start to ferment. And that sweet, sour, fermenting, rotten smell is what gets them coming from like miles. So, go ahead. Get that on in there. Okay, and then now we're gonna top it off with water, and basically you want to fill this water until it's sitting right above the corn. So you can kind of see how it's sitting right above it, and then the corn will start to suck the water in. I might do just a hair more. And where is the... So I put the lid all the way on at first, because then I shake it all up. Then you got to crack that top and then let the pressure out. And then we can pour this out tomorrow. It'll be ready to go.